Hi guys, Chris here. What I want to show you today is the final proof of my book, Leather Boys. And what you see me looking through right now is the blue poly cover that'll wrap the front of the book. Leather Boys is on the right, blue poly cover is on the left. And how this works is that the book will actually be wrapped in this blue poly cover to create a cool effect like this. The abstract cover is really an interpretation of the international symbol for BDSM. Let's flip through the book a little bit. What you can see here on this is the title page. And then there's many sequences in the book, and each sequence starts when the left page is blank and there's an image on the right. There's also several double truck spreads throughout the book. This is one of a puppy taking a break, sipping some water. We also have gatefold spreads as well. Here's an example of one that will fold out to the right. As you can see, as we turn the page to the right, we have a larger full page, full spread image here. And then we can flip at the back of the book. There is an index where I have descriptions for all 51 images in the book. The book is total 80 pages. And then each of these first editions will be hand numbered and signed. So please pick up a copy using the link in this description or going to chrissuspect.com. Thanks.